Okay, I'm taking time to make sure that I remove all the dirt from this cow skin, so that when I use it and cook this soup, you know, you will love it. Oh, sorry. So this is how I'm cutting my cow skin. I like cutting it this big, so you can, you know, decide to cut it in your desired size. Is up to you, but I love it this way, so that when I will eat it, I will just, you know, look at this one. This one will fool my mouth, just like that. That's the joy of this soup that I want to cook. This thing is the thing that will really give me, you know, one of the things that will give me that used to give me joy whenever I'm eating this soup. So that is how it is. Yes, so I'm in my village. So this is, you know, Nigeria. It is happening live in Nigeria, in Uyo, capital city, Akwa Ibom State, right here in Udon local government. Wow, today is 1st October. Happy Independence, Nigeria! Happy Independence, my people! I want to cook this soup for you, just you that is watching me. See you. I'm coming. Just stay there and wait for me. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, that's why I give me. Maybe you're nice and you can. Nice and you can. This is I am a Kaibong, a native woman, you know. So, can you listen to those? It's a walk. What time are you going? So I want to steam my cow skin. I'm steaming it with mushrooms. What I put here is my fresh pepper and onions. This village boy won't let me. Village boy.
Hey! Stop calling me village boy.
Okay, you can go and play now. Okay, so I need to add a little water. Okay. It's not morning, this is afternoon. Good afternoon, my love. Go and wash your hand.
Is it that place?
Yes, go to the tap.
Okay.
And I call it village boy. Okay. So I'm going to use this. This is star Maggi. So I would love to use up to 3 cubes.
Mommy, what is that?
What is that? The smoke that entered my eye. So don't come close. I want to prepare efere. Do you know what efere is? Yes. Efere come for you. So that you eat in your mommy's village. This is mommy's village. Okay, so I will allow it to boil for some minutes. Then I will come back and check. Let me cover it and allow it to boil for some minutes. This village. Wow. Okay. So right now I'm cutting my okra. This is the okra that I will use and cook with this vegetable. You know, this is Fisherman Soup, but I want to use okra with vegetable and cook it. So I'm cutting the okra right now. This is the way I'm cutting it. If you like, you can. Normally, some people after cutting they will put it in the mortar and pound it, but mine, I will just slice it and leave it that way. That's my way. So your own way, you can do it otherwise. But this one, I'm going to cut this circle size. Okay, so that is it. Wow, this is our cow skin, our shrimps. Okay,
I'm gonna beat you. I'll beat you.
so let me just scoop it out so that I can use this pot and start my cooking. I'm done with cutting my okra. Now I want to cut my vegetable now. This is how I slice my vegetable because I'm not cooking it with water leaf. I'm cooking it with okra. So I would love cutting it big, slicing it big, so that when you sprinkle it on the soup with the okra, the leaf will just be coming out the way I want it. So when cooking okra with vegetable, the leaf must be big. Just okra soup. I will start by bleaching my oil. Then I will now add my onion. Then I will go with my fish and snail. Go with my crab. Then my cow skin and the shrimp. Oh, my village people. People will enjoy this soup. Okay. Oh. Anyway, that's the beauty of the village cook. Oh, my sobo mi obinko. Kongo ke kodo yam. Bonko ngang ne do. Yeme no we yip. Uka ofo ebe ko nani give that doctor bubo friend. Please, go and get this crab and cook it, eat it, and drink the water. Then, I will return 247. Okay. I will just cover it and wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and check. So I will have to add my crayfish. And my pepper. Okay. Then I'll add a cup of water. Okay. That's good. Alright guys. Oh, look at my native. So I'll have to add my okra now. You just have to cover the okra for a second. Because I still want this okra to be very fresh. So I will and my leaf. So our okra leaf is, okra soup and vegetable is ready to serve now. You can now come and join us. This is our lunch. Please feel free to come and join us. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And please let me know what you think about this cooking in the comment section. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye bye. We are eating it with semolina. This is our ancient plate. Where are my snails? My snails, where are you?